we still have our moments over here that are a little bit beyond any type of conceptual structure. Yes. Yeah. Yes, so and one way of how you can get in touch again with the qualities that I just mentioned before is, let's just take thankfulness. It is always this type of structure, also in the teachings in general. If you don't have it, you cannot give it. That is the core essence. So first of all, that also means we need to find a way to get whatever we want to share one day, we need to get it.